So now we are back from the photography room and now we are going to edit the images that we have clicked. So this is the final image that I have created for you to see, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I have created three images. One is of the splash and one is the clear glass. We are going to take the bottom of this glass to clear it out in the splash layer. And this is the final lemon image that we are going to place above the splash layer to get this result. So now we are starting off with the lemon image. So let's make a copy of the background of the lemon image. It's Ctrl J. And now I'm going to erase the background that we have over here by selecting the quick selection tool. So let's start selecting the area that we don't need. And now you can see some of the parts are not selected by this tool automatically. So we are going to select it manually. Just keep it on add to selection, as you can see over here. Start selecting. So we have selected the lemon and now we are going to erase the background of it. So hit delete and visibility off of the background layer, and as you can see the background is erased. Now what we have to do is we have to get rid of these wires over here. As you can see, hit J and deselect the selection we have created. Now we are going to use the clone stamp tool. The shortcut for it is S, and here you can see the clone stamp tool is selected. So press and hold Alt option and click any of the area that you want to paste on the wires. And now start painting. So now you can see we have the final lemon image. Now we are going to drag and drop this above the splash layer. So as you can see, it is a bit bigger than the glass on the splash layer. So we are going to put it on Ctrl T, which is transform, and we are going to decrease the size of these lemons according to the glass. More, and maybe we are done. You just have to place it properly. Yeah. So this is perfect. And now we have placed the lemon above the splash layer. But what you can see over here is that it is just looking above the area of the splash of the glass. So what we have to do is we have to erase a bit of parts of this lemon so that we can get the splashes out on these lemons, and this lemon will look like as if it is inside the glass. So select the eraser tool, increase the brush size and decrease the opacity of the lemon layer so that you can see what you have to erase and what you have to get on the lemon. Start erasing. And finally, when you are done erasing the area of the water on the lemon, what you have to do is you just have to increase the opacity of the lemon layer and check if it's all right. So let's increase the opacity and see. So yeah, till now we are going good. So now what we have to do is we have to remove this lemon from here that we have used to create the splash inside the glass. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the bottom of this glass and place it above this glass over the area of this lemon to hide it. So let's start making the selection of this glass. So I am going to use pen tool, which you can see over here is this. And I have selected the pen tool. Now I am starting to get the selection out of it. And don't worry, you don't have to do it accurately because at the end you are going to erase some parts of it. I am just doing it a bit faster for you. Control Shift Enter, and here it makes the selection. So now what we have to do is we have to press Control J, which will give out the layer that we have selected. As you can see, this is the layer, and now you have to drag this layer above the splash layer and place it over here on the glass. And now Control T transforms the layer, and you have to size it accordingly and place it on the glass. Just make sure you meet the edges of the rim of your glass that you have created on the splash image. Hit enter. And now again, you have to decrease the opacity of the layer 2 that we have over here, the layer we have placed, so that we can see through what we have to erase and what we have to keep. So let's start with the eraser tool. The shortcut for eraser tool is E. And now I'm going to erase the outer area of the layer we have just pasted above it. you just have to keep a check that you don't erase the part which has the inner lemon on it, so that it doesn't come out when we increase the opacity of the blue layer that we have placed on the glass to hide it. Now let's get the splash a bit. And finally we are done erasing the blue layer. Now we are going to increase the opacity of this layer and check what have we done. Oh, so finally we've got what we wanted to. Just over here I can see a line of it, so I'm going to erase it to just merge it into the layer softly. So we're going to keep the flow on 17 and opacity on 100 only. Now just to remove this line, I'm going to erase the part of this blue layer, so it gets merged into the background of the glass. So this is the final image that we have created till now, and now what we have to do is, I'm going to flatten this image, right click on the background layer and just click flatten the image. Now Ctrl J to copy the layer, and now we have to crop this image according to our size. So I'm going to keep it on the original ratio which it is on, and I'm going to crop it a bit. Hit enter, and here we are with the final image that we have created just now. So thank you guys, hope you like the video. The tutorial has ended. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you.